This is the Duux Beam. It's a smart ultrasonic air humidifier, designed for use in rooms up to 40 meters squared. As a result, it's best suited for smaller to medium-sized spaces. Among air humidifiers, it's one of the more advanced options available, and Duux has clearly put a lot of effort in to create a very well-designed and balanced product. So let's take a look at what it has to offer. Straight away, the Duux Beam is notably a good-looking humidifier. It's modern and sleek, with a minimalist look that can seamlessly blend into almost any interior. On top of that, Duux has made it very compact and slim, keeping its footprint small, reducing its presence in any room. In keeping with this design approach, they have also integrated a remote control within the body. Although that's not the only control option, as the Beam is a smart humidifier and can be paired with Duux's app through a smart device. This app has access to all of the unit's features and allows for it to be powered on or have its settings and modes adjusted from anywhere in the world. When attached in place, it looks like a regular control panel, but when removed, it's a slim remote that allows the unit to be operated from a distance. Now, we've talked about how it looks and the way you can control the Beam, but we've not yet talked about what settings are available. Well, for starters, there are 3 output modes. Each of these is built to be more powerful than the last, granting flexibility in how quickly a desired humidity level can be attained. These modes are then regulated by an adjustable hygrostat. This can be set to any level from 40% to 90% relative humidity. And through the use of inbuilt sensors, it monitors the surrounding humidity and temperature. Using this data, it can then limit the unit's output once the desired humidity level has been achieved, with the aim of maintaining it from there. This approach can then also be further modified with the inbuilt timer function. When this option is in use, the unit can turn itself off once a certain amount of time has passed, with options for 1, 2, 4, 6 or 8 hour active sessions. Not only does this help to prevent unnecessary use, but it can also elongate the time between refilling the water tank. On top of the more direct settings, the Beam also has some other useful features. For example, the LED interface has a water refill indicator to show if the integrated water tank is low. It's also a very efficient unit, and it only needs 27 watts of power at its maximum settings. This also goes hand in hand with it being quiet, and it never exceeds a level of 32 decibels. Now, beyond the sheer quantity of features built into the Beam, it's also been designed with an emphasis on great performance. At its highest mist output setting, it can release 350 milliliters of water per hour into the surrounding environment, which is enough to yield a very prompt and noticeable change within suitably sized rooms up to 40 meters squared. The Duux Beam is also an ultrasonic humidifier. This means that instead of evaporating water to increase humidity, it vibrates it to produce incredibly tiny water droplets. This approach is far more efficient for impacting humidity than the classic evaporation-based approach, and is ultimately the reason the Beam is so compact, quiet, and energy efficient. Lastly, it has also been made for performance longevity, with a sizable 5-litre integrated water tank. When full, this tank allows the Beam to have a maximum constant runtime of 25 hours, although in practice this can be easily extended by the hygrometer and/or timer modes. Overall, the Duux Beam Smart Ultrasonic Air Humidifier is a very competent and capable product. It does exactly what Duux built it to do. It offers an uncompromising package, with a good-looking and compact design, top-tier ultrasonic humidification performance, and an absolute bucket load of features and control options to get the most out of it. If you're looking for one of the best humidifiers around, this is it.